Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your peacocktv.com. So in order to log in into your peacocktv.com, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And first thing first, make sure that you already have a Peacock TV account. So in order to begin with the procedure, first of all, open up a browser, and when you open up a browser, on the web address bar, type in peacocktv.com, and that's going to take you to their official webpage, which is going to look something like this. Here, go ahead and select the sign in button from the top right, and when you go ahead and select the sign in button, it's going to show you the pop-up menu where you have to go ahead and enter in your credential. That could either be your username, email address, and then a password. Once done entering the following information, you'll be logged into your account successfully. However, if you're unable to log in because of your incorrect information, then you can go ahead and reset by tapping on forgot username or password, and accordingly you'll be instructed on how you can recover your account, and follow the prompts and you will be able to recover your account back. So that's how you can log in into your peacocktv.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.